Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to give you some inspiration for your 2023 New Year's resolutions to take your floor cleaning business to the next level. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, and we specialize in one thing only, getting guys like you booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. New Year's 2023 resolutions, inspiration for floor cleaners. So we're coming up to the end of the year. Typically, we all make plans to lose weight, stop smoking, this, that, and the other. And if you're thinking about making some New Year's resolutions to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, I'm going to give you some hints and tips, some goals that you could make, some things to aim for in 2023 and beyond. So let's dive right in. Another year full of potential promise is about to begin. For most business owners, it's time to start thinking about what they want their companies and teams to accomplish in 2023. Maybe those goals include launching new offers or continuing to expand their floor cleaning business in a new area. As an entrepreneur, your ambitions might also veer towards reinventing your business's brand and online presence. Whilst 2023 has yet to unfold, current economic predictions and market conditions have shifted many owners' priorities. Finding ways to attract leads, retain customers and employees, and improve efficiency are probably top of mind. Despite the challenges the next year may bring, establishing goals can set your team and your company up for success. Here are some resolutions for your business that you can consider pursuing. Number one, set new growth goals. Most service-based businesses need to keep moving forward to stick around. The important thing is to determine what you want to take to the next level and devise a plan to get there. Sometimes growth objectives are concentrated on a particular market segment, product line, division, or strategy. Setting new growth goals shows you've invested in your company's future. The idea of progress can also increase your team's commitment, since it gives them purpose and urgency, or agency, depending on whatever you want to say. Growth objectives often become opportunities to serve customers better, bring innovations to your floor cleaning business, and establish industry leadership. They demonstrate resilience and persistence, which can contribute to more effective outcomes. So for example, for your carpet cleaning business or your tile cleaning business, in terms of like growth goals, you might decide that, we want to grow by 20%. So if we did 100k in 2022, we want to do 120k in 2023, or whatever it is. We want to do 150k. That could be your growth goal. We had 100 customers in 2022. We want to do 150 customers in 2023. It's a growth goal. We've got 2 trucks on the road. I want to have 3 trucks on the road by the end of 2023. That's a growth. Your business is growing. You've got more employees, more technicians, you've got more money coming through the door, more vans, more trucks. Growth goals. So that's one thing that you can do in terms of like a New Year's resolution. Figure out like what's your plan, what's your growth goal, what's your thing to target to move the needle forward in 2023. And in doing so, it can inspire, like I said, your technicians and stuff like that, because they feel like, wow, this guy is really ambitious. He wants to grow. I feel like I'm part of a company that's moving the needle forward, not one that's getting just sticking and not going anywhere. And of course, growth can lead to promotion opportunities for many employees and stuff like that. So it keeps things exciting for the team as well. Number 2, catch up with your customers. The new year is the perfect time to build relationships with customers and possibly improve on customer service. Proactive customer service not only allows businesses to keep their customers in the know, but it also serves as an opportunity for customers to become more familiar with a business's brand. Building meaningful connections in the new year gives customers a sense of belonging that makes them feel comfortable continuing to book your services in the future. And what is more, recommend your floor cleaning services to family and friends. An easy way to stay in touch with clients is by staying active on social media or providing regular emails or newsletters. You can also try a text blast as well. Keeping on top of customer interactions, businesses are setting themselves up for success in 2023 and beyond. So you could send everybody a Christmas card. You could send out an email newsletter like the year in review 2022. These are the things that we achieved. You know, we cleaned like 52 government buildings. We cleaned 4 hotels. We donated X dollars to charity. We did this. We did that. This is what we're planning on doing in the next 12 months. This is where we're going to invest. We love serving the community. We wish you a happy Christmas. Have a great new year. So you could do some kind of newsletter. You could do a text blast. Simple thing. Hey Linda, happy new year. It's John here with ABC Steamers. Just wanted to wish you all the best for the year ahead. You know where to find us if you need us. Have a good one. Not too salesy, super friendly, super personable, a nice touch, right? Just staying in front of them, sending them some nice wishes for the new year via an email or a text can be a game changer. Number 3, refine your audience. Refining your audience is a critical step in successful marketing of your floor cleaning business. By analyzing ideal customer profiles and current trends, you can accurately determine who to target with your messaging. This will aid you in effectively reaching those ideal customers and eliminate the need to waste time and resources on non-targeted audiences. As a result, your outreach will become more targeted, efficient, and effective. So one of the great things that you could do as a New Year's resolution, sit down, open up your CRM and have a look what's going on underneath the hood. What do I mean by that? What zip codes are most of your jobs coming in from? Is it mainly women or men that book? What's their average age? If you had to guess, I guess you might not know their age 100%, but is it more middle-aged? Is it younger? Is it students that are booking with you? Is it that really elderly chunk of your town that are booking? Is it a combination? Would you say, is it people from 30 to 50? Mainly women, mainly men in these zip codes. What do they normally book? Do you see any patterns? Are most people going for 3 rooms, 4 rooms? Like, have a look. How many 2-room jobs did you do last year? How many 3-room jobs? How many 4-room jobs? How many 5-room jobs? How many stairs and hallways did you do? How many additional treatments, pet treatments did you sell? And the thing that you sold the most of, the number of rooms, the thing with the most numbers that you sold the most of, well, they're the things that are of most importance, that are most popular in your area. And you know, like, who your ideal customer is. You know their gender, their age range, where they live, and what they actually want. You've got all that data inside your CRM. One of the best things that you can do in 2023 is look back over the last 12 months and pull out that data, and that's going to allow you to really fine-tune your marketing efforts for 2023 in terms of your paid advertising, in terms of your organic advertising, about which zip codes to target, about which genders, about how to write your advertising, about what to promote, what specials to sell based on the data that you've got inside your business, because the data doesn't lie. Number 4, I will charge what I'm worth. The beginning of the new year might be a perfect time to put your prices up. If you feel like your floor cleaning service is undervalued, you should definitely consider raising your prices to match the value it provides. Many business owners are afraid that increasing their prices will make them unaffordable for some, but you've got to understand that you can't be a fit for everybody. Not everybody's going to be able to afford you. The end. It's better to be the right fit for those who understand the value of your carpet cleaning business and the care and the standard of service that you provide and are willing to pay for it. So yeah, if you've been the $99 3-room guy for the last couple of years, and if you've done your research and there are guys out there that are charging more than you, that appear to be successful, and you feel like the market will pay what you're worth, then yeah, increase your prices, definitely. Number 5, speak to your accountant more. Keeping an eye on the business numbers is a critical task for small business owners. This is where having a dialogue with your accountant can be helpful. An accountant will help you understand the financial reports and provide insight into areas that may need your attention. Having knowledge of the current financial health of your business will put you in a more confident position to make well-informed decisions, allowing for smarter growth and sustainability. Speak to your accountant today to get insight about keeping an eye out for the business numbers. So a lot of us are great at what we do, but we're not great at the financial or the numbers game that comes with running running a business. So you might be a dental practice owner and you might be amazing at fixing people's teeth, but doing your taxes at the end of the year is a real pain in the butt, and like tracking all the numbers and the expenses is like the most unenjoyable thing that you can possibly do. I'm the same. Like, I'm great at running a digital marketing agency where we know loads about marketing, but when it comes to math, when it comes to numbers, dollars, money, taxes and all of that, I hate it. It's the bane of my life. I can't stand it. I procrastinate on it. I put it off. And I'm sure it's the same for a lot of you guys, right? You love cleaning the carpets. You're really proud of your truck mount. It's a beautiful piece of kit. You love the challenge of getting that stain out. You love to see the happy customer's face when you transform their home. But having to mess around and keep accounts and numbers and all of that stuff is something that we all put off, that we can't stand doing. And one of the things that I will say is that being more on it with your numbers, with your taxes, with your finances, honestly, it can unlock so much more profit when you can really pinpoint maybe like where you're overspending, where things are costing you too much, where you need to pull the reins in a little bit. And so if you only speak to your accountant like once a year or twice a year to do your tax return, one of the best New Year's resolutions that you can make is to maybe try and hook up with them more often, maybe once a month or something like that. Get some more feedback, get some more insights, because honestly, like, I did that and it was transformational for my business. So that's number 5. Get on top of your numbers more, speak to your accountant, because it can really help you. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, get you booked out with jobs on autopilot, head to the description below where you'll find all the necessary information. See you on the next one. Cheers.